Welcome to Vijay Computer Academy, where for more than 34 years we've been transforming lives through technology education. Today, we invite you to discover your future in database administration. You don't need prior IT experience, coding skills, or technical knowledge to start. This program is designed for beginners who want to step into the world of tech and build a rewarding, stable career. Think for a moment about how every company and organization relies on data. Banks track transactions, hospitals manage patient records, retailers monitor inventory, and even social media platforms store billions of user posts every single day. Who makes sure all of that critical information is safe, organized, and always available? Database administrators. They are the invisible heroes working behind the scenes to keep businesses running smoothly. Imagine yourself in that role, managing and protecting the systems that keep our world moving forward. That person could be you. Database administration is the practice of installing, configuring, managing, and securing the software that stores and organizes critical information. As a database administrator, you ensure that information is not only available but also reliable and protected from loss or misuse. You'll manage backups and recovery systems, improve performance so systems run quickly, and safeguard sensitive information against breaches. In short, DBAs make sure businesses can trust their data. The world runs on data, and databases are at the heart of it. Every organization, whether in healthcare, finance, government, or technology, depends on reliable databases. With the explosion of cloud computing and the growth of big data, the demand for database professionals has never been higher. Companies are desperately searching for people with these skills, offering high-paying jobs, long-term stability, and the flexibility to work on-site, hybrid, or even fully remote. This is why training in database administration is such a smart investment in your future. Learning database administration opens the door to many different job opportunities. You could become a database administrator, responsible for the overall health of a company's database. Or a SQL developer, writing queries to extract and organize data. Maybe you'll choose to be a database analyst, interpreting patterns in data to help businesses make decisions. You could even specialize in business intelligence, helping organizations visualize and act on their information. These roles are in demand across industries, giving you plenty of choices for your career path. Here's where our database administration bootcamp comes in. At Vijay Computer Academy, we provide hands-on experience with real-world projects so you can build confidence as you learn. This program prepares you for the Oracle Database SQL Certified Associate exam, one of the most recognized industry certifications. We take you from the very basics all the way to advanced database tasks, ensuring you graduate with the skills that employers value most. Our mission is simple: to prepare you for a successful, future-proof career. You might be wondering, am I really a good fit for this program? The answer is yes. This bootcamp is designed for absolute beginners, career changers who want to reskill, veterans returning to civilian life, moms re-entering the workforce, or even recent high school and college graduates. You don't need to know coding or have a background in IT. All you need is the willingness to learn, and we'll guide you every step of the way. At Vijay Computer Academy, we've been teaching technology for over 3 decades. Our approach is simple: we make learning accessible. Classes are live, online, and taught on Zoom, so you can learn from anywhere. Our trainers are industry experts who know how to explain even the most complex concepts in a beginner-friendly way. You'll receive access to course materials, labs, and projects, and we'll be there with support every step of your journey, from the day you start learning until you're ready to land your first job. The Database Administration Bootcamp is a 90-hour program delivered online through live, interactive sessions. You'll attend class 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday, in a schedule that fits your life. The curriculum begins with foundations like computer basics and programming, then moves into core database concepts and relational models. You'll learn SQL, the language of databases, along with backup, recovery, and security. Finally, you'll gain hands-on experience with Oracle, one of the most widely used database platforms in the industry. This structure ensures you graduate with practical, job-ready skills. We don't just train you, we prepare you for success in your career. You'll have access to mentorship, career guidance, and AI-powered job resources that can connect you to remote and work-from-home opportunities. You'll also work on practice labs and exercises that reinforce your learning. With our placement partner UPro, you'll gain access to job search help, apprenticeships, and pathways into high-demand tech careers. Scan the QR code to learn more about the job search resources we provide. Investing in your future should be affordable. That's why we offer flexible payment options. You can pay upfront and save money, spread payments across a few months, or use our Learn Now, Pay Later plan through PayPal. Scan the QR code to see the payment options. Getting started is easy. First, schedule a discovery call with our admissions team to learn more about the bootcamp and tuition options. Next, fill out the online enrollment form, select your payment option, and confirm your spot. Once enrolled, you'll receive the Zoom link for your class and begin your learning journey. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to a career in database administration. Our bootcamps fill up fast because we keep class sizes small to ensure personal attention. Don't wait. Secure your seat in the next database administration bootcamp today and take the first step toward transforming your future. Thank you for joining us today. If you're ready to build a rewarding, future-proof career in technology, contact us now by phone, text, or WhatsApp. Visit our website for more details or reach out with your questions. Scan the QR code to inquire directly. Vijay Computer Academy, empowering your future in tech, one step at a time.